Song number 27, Hot Cross Buns, on page 23. This is our favorite and famous Hot Cross Buns piece. I'm going to put my metronome on to this speed. Here we go. We are utilizing all the fingerings we learned on the E string, which are, let's start with the open E. Then the first finger, F sharp, sounds like this. Next is the G sharp, our middle finger, our second finger, and it's a high two, so there's space between the first and the second. It sounds like this. Back to F sharp, lift my second finger, first finger is down on the string. And then open E, lift my first finger. Please make sure your bow remains close to the bridge and you're drawing the bow between the fingerboard and then the bridge. In a straight line, you want to make sure you're going to avoid the bow from sliding on toward the top of the fingerboard. Okay, so let's try Hot Cross Buns. After 4 beats, we will start, and then the first few notes are all half notes, right? So you must save your bow. These are all half notes here, so that you get 2 beats per bow. Okay, here we go. Hopefully you can hear my clicking sound. Okay, so violin is up. Make sure your thumb is pointing toward the ceiling. I have a little space underneath the thumb. Fingers are hovering above the fingerboard. I'm going to put my first finger F sharp down, my second finger G, and get my bow hold ready at the frog. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 0. Retake your bow. Second finger. 1. Open E. Rest, rest. Retake your bow. Full bow, please. 1. Second finger. 1. 3, 4. Make sure you're resting on the beat 3, 4, and then we put our violin down. I'm going to do this one more time with a different angle so you can see my fingers this way. All right, here we go. After 4 beats, please. I have my first finger down and my second finger, G sharp, down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second finger, first finger, open E. Retake your bow to the frog, second finger. First finger, open E. Retake your bow back to the frog, open E, please. Get your first finger ready. Use your entire length of the bow. Second finger, first finger, open E. Freeze and keep your bow here for 2 beats, rest, and then put your violin down. Again, make sure that you freeze when you have these rests. The rest doesn't mean that you put your violin down. It means you keep in playing position. And in these 2 rests, you are going to do a retake, which is this motion with your bow, where you go back to the frog. Let's practice that retake. So you have, you're here, and then you're going to make a small circle, half circle, back to the frog. One more time. And then you're going to go right back to the frog. Basically, you're making this kind of motion, going right back to the frog here to proceed with the next line.